In this video, we will see the various workspace awareness visualizations available in the COG Eclipse client of the COG tool that help developers in collaborative software development. For the purpose of this demo, we have already configured the COG server with the remote project repository available on GitHub. Also, the Eclipse client has been plugged in within the Eclipse IDEs of the two developers. Developer A and B have been configured to collaborate over the Snakes and Ladders project uploaded on GitHub and configured with the COG server. Developer A is the one with the white background and developer B is the one with the yellow background. For the purpose of this demo, we run both the Eclipse IDEs on the same machine. The COG Eclipse client categorizes collaborators into two categories: direct and indirect collaborators. Direct collaborators are those who are working on the same shared artifact. These direct collaborators are further categorized into edit direct collaborators and open direct collaborators. The edit direct collaborators are those who are editing the same artifact, while the open direct collaborators are those who have the same artifact in open mode in their Eclipse IDEs. The Edit Direct Collaborator view displays information about Edit Direct Collaborators. Similarly, the COG Eclipse client also provides an Open Direct Collaborator view which provides information about all the open collaborators who have the same artifact in open mode. Let us see how the various developers can see these visualizations using their Eclipse IDE. Developer A and B are connected to the COG server and are collaborating over the Snakes and Ladders project. We use the Windows option to open the Edit Direct Collaborators view for Developer B. This view shows that there is an Edit Direct Collaborator Developer A which is currently working at line number 15. Let us see the same view for Developer A as well. We use the window option Show View and Others and open the Edit Direct Collaborator view. It shows that Developer B is the current Edit Direct Collaborator for Developer A and is working currently on line number 20. Let us also open the Open Direct Collaborator view for this collaborator. The Open Direct Collaborator view shows that there are currently no collaborators who have the same file in open mode. The awareness visualization in COG Eclipse client divides the collaborators into direct and indirect collaborators. The indirect collaborators are those who are working in the same project but on different shared artifacts. COG Eclipse client further categorizes these indirect collaborators into Edit Indirect Collaborators and Open Indirect Collaborators. Edit Indirect Collaborators represent all indirect collaborators who are currently editing other artifacts in the current project workspace. While Open Indirect Collaborators are those indirect collaborators that have the other artifacts in their open mode in the Eclipse IDEs. COG Eclipse client provides useful visualization for edit indirect collaborators as well as open indirect collaborators. In the edit indirect collaborators view, the Eclipse client displays the collaborators that are working within the scope of the project but not on the same artifact. So we can see here that in the edit indirect collaborator view, it lists down the edit indirect collaborators and the name of the files that they are editing, the current AST element and the current line number. The open indirect collaborator view displays the list of the artifacts that others have opened. Let us see how these views can be seen through the IDEs of developer A. So we use the show view option to open the edit indirect collaborators view. We find that currently there are no edit indirect collaborators. Similarly, we can also open the open indirect collaborators view. This shows that currently there are no open indirect collaborators. So we can see that a COG Eclipse client provides effective visualization through the various views and provides information about workspace awareness. Thank you.